Yes, people, big up on yourself tonight. May God be with you and your family. And y'all, you know, see the hairstyle. Lord of mercy. Oh, no, some of the conflict, baby. But anyway, I'm out of tonight, right? I have lots and lots of things to talk about, baby. Lots and lots of things to talk about. Yes. You know, say, pum pum and I want easy something, you know. That's why you have to take care of your body and conserve. All the little young girl to where listen. Uno listen good, don't cock on the ears. Listen good and don't cock on the ears. Because someone no go and like say uno deaf and uno can't hear. Uno must hear. You make no boy come tell no all kind of sweet word and rub up on your head. When you go into the mama work so hard and not pay rent, you think the rent easy to pay? Rent not easy to pay, baba. Rent a whole heap of money and the weeks them flips 1, 2, 3, 4 and rent due again. So when you're a young girl and you live with your mama, have your little bubby them start tiff up on you and your little body. Don't start get your mouth real loud up. Don't start get your mouth too big. You know what I mean? And when your mother talk to you, if you come frowns off pan her. Nobody come frowns off pan the woman. Have respect. Because guess what? As she pay the bills and I protect you. No for uno know what kind of trouble on her. To want to get in a big trouble. Uno come home to no mama with big old gut. Big old belly in front of uno breed. All kind of problems start fall down pan uno. Because uno don't listen. Them say my grandmother always tell me, you know, a hard yes make a soft horse, baby. Yes, a hard yes, them call it make a soft horse. So you must listen and you must learn and don't make the same mistake twice and over again. I learn from my mistake them. Yes, baby, see the craziness here. When you can't see me nice and right, you call this dreadlock. Not locks, dreadlock. Alright, baby. So I want to big up on yourself tonight. And I just want to know young girl to know. Keep on little crutches between the leg and just behave on yourself. Some of me see some little girl nowadays they start put on the concealer and the big eyebrow. And they look on them, they look like 12 years old. And I think 12 years old or 10-year-old look up they should not put on the big eyebrow with concealer. It's too much. It make them look like too grown. And if you see the eyebrow big and the old girl, little girl body, the eyebrow them big and her little body small. So she have this big eyebrow. She's a good looking little girl, but she's just too young and small to be wearing these kind of things, you know, to attract men. I seen some women today. They're dressing their young daughters in all kind of skimpy clothes and small clothes for them daughter. And it's just a little girl. Them little pum pum shots and some of the little picture them shape like big woman. You know what them feed them pan me no know. And then they put on these big woman things on them to make man look at them. I think you shouldn't dress your daughter appropriately to her age. If you're making a daughter look too grown, you must expect some man to go look on her and as she grow up, look a bit, she go take man because I come like you put her out there. Make sure dress appropriately to her age. Start making the little pit them look like too much big woman. And some of the big little pit them want to go like a big woman. And go like too big than everybody else. You understand what I'm saying? So learn when we go to school and do enough do. Learn when you learn and get when you get our skill or something. Nobody put man first, put man last. Because when you catch a big belly, him good not even know you. Him good not even want to talk to you. When you catch a big belly. Trust me, some of them is like that. And some of them young, they just want to keep from one woman to the other woman. So keep your like self-safe, respect your parents, listen to your parents and pray to God and read your Bible. Pray to God and trust God. One thing my mom always tell me, trust God. And a true thing, trust God. You see, when I look at youngsters, so me I tell them because once you start to bust breasts and food like a crutches start to grow ears, some want to go like on too big, on the outfit beat off on the mama and the pop on no one ear nothing. So I don't want to wear brassiere gas school now, when the bobby hang outside. For boy, look on the one wear short skirt on the body wall. When you're not going to school to catch man. It's not a catch man college, and you're not going to school to catch man. It's not a catch man school. You're going to school to get something in your head and respect your parents and try to do better for your life. You can't come outside. I run up and down the street, I catch all kind of man, I sleep with all kind of man, I do all kind of sit down and I go back in any hours you want to your parents' house. It doesn't work like that. When you live with your parents, you have to go by rule and you have to go by regulation. And when you don't live by your parents and you go out there and do these things, you get messed up. You end up in baby, you end up in a project, you end up in welfare, food stamp office, you end up in all kind of problems. Some of them end up on drugs or alcohol, and it's a lot of different things. So know the parents, know the stand of the parents and love the parents. parents, because not liking your parents or hating your parents is like bad luck. It's like person than a voodoo. And the worst thing that I mean I believe in a voodoo. But may I tell her that it's not a good thing. So love your parents, respect what they do for you, and know that you only can have one. You understand what I mean? And only one God, and it's only one nation, and it's one love. So big up on yourself like a young pitney. I'm not gonna tell you why you should be for yourself and not getting pregnant before time. I'm definitely gonna tell you how that go, cause trust me, when baby start to bust out your crutches, and a good same thing, it coming like a volcano in your hole.